In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community using Gumroad. This is an excellent way to share exclusive content with your audience and build a loyal community. So, let's dive straight into the steps. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account. Once you're logged in, direct your gaze toward the top of the page where you'll see an option labeled Products. This is your starting point for adding anything new to Gumroad, including memberships. From this section, you're going to see an option to create a new product. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, you'll find yourself facing different types of products that you can create. Our focus today is on building a membership community, so be sure to select the membership option. At this stage, it's time to put on your creative hat. You need to think of a catchy and fitting name for your membership. This is a crucial step because it's the very first thing potential members will notice. Once you've landed on the perfect name, it's time to choose the currency in which you want to receive payments. Set a price that reflects the true value of the content and perks you're offering to your community. Once you have these details figured out, proceed by clicking on the Next Customize button. This is where your creativity can really shine. You now have a chance to add a detailed description highlighting what your membership offers and why it's an incredible opportunity. Enumerate any unique features, benefits, or topics you'll cover. This description can be a game changer, enticing potential members to join with its inviting content. Moving along, let's add some visual handshakes like images or videos. These will act as a cover and thumbnail for your membership offering. Eye-catching visuals are essential to capturing attention and conveying a professional demeanor. Make sure these visuals resonate with your brand and the type of community you're fostering. Once that's in place, think about adding a concise summary to reinforce the core message of what members should anticipate. You might also want to consider creating different tiers. This is simply naming them fittingly and providing detailed explanations for each. Tiers can cater to diverse budget needs and add extra value to your audience, giving them options on the level of access they desire. Furthermore, when deciding on pricing, you've got the flexibility to opt for either monthly or yearly options, depending on what suits your business model best. With all these elements nicely set up, click on Save and Continue. Now, consider the way you want your content to be displayed. You can choose to embed it or type it directly into Gumroad. This choice can influence how smoothly your members interact with the content. Finally, when everything is in place and looks just the way you want it, click on Publish and Continue to make your membership live. And there you have it, the complete guide to creating a membership community on Gumroad. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in building a vibrant and engaged community.